Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at another case for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Now this case is made by TORRAS. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the TORRAS MarsClimber for Google Pixel 7 Pro. All right, military grade drop protection, 3-stand ways, slim kickstand, translucent matte black. All right, $23.37, so it's a little expensive. You can see some pictures right here of the case. Fits the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Now I've wanted to check this case out for a little while, but I decided to go ahead and do it so I can kind of share with you what I think about it and if you want to purchase this case or not. All right, I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get it. Now here's the box, TORRAS, simple but unique. A little bit of information on the back, quality warranty, 10-year support there. Let's pull this out. All right, so we got the case inside a little plastic wrapper. You got a little warranty card right here. Activate that. Let's pull this out. And the wrapper, let's put this to the side. All right, now here's the case right here. Now it's got a translucent back. You can still see through it a little bit, but not a whole lot, not a clear. You got a raised area for the camera, and it's nicely situated so you can get the camera but also have protection on the side right there. Solid at the top right there, and this is the kind of hard PC back right there, translucent. And here's the kickstand. All right, they make good kickstands. You see that it doesn't flop and it snaps in place pretty good. The sides are matte. You can see the power button right here. Volume up and down rocker, and it doesn't feel too slippery on the sides. All right, we'll see what it's like when you put the phone in, but these are the speaker grills, charging port right here, and it's pretty clean on this side right here, and you got a hole for the mic hole right there. Now the corners are bolstered. You can see that right there, so that's pretty cool. All right, added protection, but it's a slim case. All right, and we'll see how the lips come up and on the sides and then stuff like that, but the case doesn't feel slippery right now. So, and even the polycarbonate doesn't feel slippery. I don't like that. But this one doesn't feel bad, so we'll see what happens when we put the phone inside, okay? Okay, here's the Pixel 7 Pro. Let's go ahead and put it inside the case, see what's up. All right, so it's got a nice snug fit, all right? Not the tightest, but it's a nice snug fit. It doesn't feel too slippery. Now, it does slide when you do that sideways test, but not as slippery as some of the other translucent back right there, but it is slippery. But when you hold it in your hand, you got good grip. All right, the side is matte, but it's grippy. So it feels pretty secure in the hand. All right, you can get your hand around it, no problem. Now here's what the camera looks like right there. It's all protected right there, and you know you got your raised area right here. So this is going to give some symmetry to the back, and so it shouldn't be wobbling or sitting at an angle. All right, now here's the side right here. The lip on the top and the bottom come up, and power button works fine. You can see that everything lines up on the bottom right there, no problem. And then you got the mic hole up top that lines up right there, no problem. All right, now let's check out this kickstand. So you raise it up this way right here. Now you can do it this way, or you can stand it up, or you can do it this way. All right, now when you do it this way, you can get multiple angles. So you angle this a little bit lower, and you can angle that a little bit lower. So not as solid as you want it there, but you can do it in multiple positions. All right. So either way, if you do it this way, you get a little more angular, and this one stands up a little straighter. Okay. So multiple uses for this kickstand, and it's got a good reference point to hold the phone, the case when you have it in your hand. So that's pretty cool too. But the case is not slippery. This is probably one of the best translucent matte cases I've had yet, and I would recommend this case. Let's check out the wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, here's the wireless charger. Let's put it on. Let's see what happens. So it picked up wireless charge while it was laying down flat. Let's stand it up and see what happens. All right, so now this doesn't work well on this charger standing up. And I assume that's okay. There it goes right there. So it did pick it up. I just didn't get the animation. All right, let's put it on this side right here. So it picked up wireless charge on the side. So it picks up wireless charge in every position. And if you can charge on this wireless charger, you can charge on any one. Okay, because this one is kind of weird, but I like it. Okay, so that was a quick look at the TORRAS MarsClimber with kickstand case for the Pixel 7 Pro. Pretty nice case. I recommend it. It's got that kickstand feature, and it's not bulky, and it's got decent grip. All right. Now, it's a little expensive, but I think it's probably worth it to get the multifunctional use that you can get out of this case, okay? Now, again, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.